Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of economics and uncover hidden opportunities. In today's episode, we'll explore a topic that often goes unnoticed: the untapped potential of Iran's economy. Situated between Asia and Europe, Iran's strategic geographical position offers a unique advantage. Join us as we delve into this neglected opportunity and discover the potential waiting to be harnessed. Iran's strategic geographical location is a key factor in its economic potential. It serves as a bridge between two significant regions, Asia and Europe. This position offers immense opportunities for trade and commerce, connecting various economies and cultures. Unfortunately, this aspect often goes unnoticed, but it's time we recognize the significance of this overlooked advantage. Now, let's take a closer look at Iran's potential as an emerging market. Over the years, Iran has showed promising signs of growth and development. Its vast consumer market, young population, and abundant natural resources creates a solid foundation for economic expansion. Iran possesses a diverse range of industries, including manufacturing, agriculture, energy, and services. As international sanctions ease, the country's economic potential is set to skyrocket. Furthermore, Iran's government has been implementing economic reforms to attract foreign investments and foster domestic entrepreneurship. With a population of over 80 million, there is a significant demand for goods and services, making it an attractive market for businesses worldwide. The potential for growth and profitability in Iran cannot be underestimated. Now, let's discuss the factors of production in Iran: land, labor, and capital. Iran is blessed with abundant natural resources and vast agricultural land, making it fertile ground for various industries. From oil and gas reserves to minerals, Iran possesses significant resources that can fuel economic growth. Additionally, the country boasts a well-educated and skilled workforce ready to contribute to its economic development. Access to capital is crucial for any economy, and Iran is no exception. The government has taken steps to encourage investment and establish a favorable business environment. Through partnerships, foreign direct investments, and improved banking systems, Iran is gradually unlocking its economic potential. Iran boasts a young and dynamic population with a median age of around 32 years. This demographic advantage brings a wealth of potential, as the youth are often drivers of innovation, entrepreneurship, and economic growth. Additionally, Iran's emphasis on education has resulted in a well-educated workforce, equipped with the skills necessary to contribute to various industries. The youthful energy and intellectual capital present in Iran create a fertile ground for economic progress. It opens doors to technological advancements, research and development, and formation of a vibrant startup culture. Harnessing this potential can lead to remarkable economic transformations. Moving on to our next point. Iran possesses significant natural resource advantages. Iran is home to vast reserves of oil, natural gas, and minerals, making it one of the richest countries in terms of natural resources. The abundance of these resources provides a solid foundation for economic growth and serves as a driving force behind various industries such as energy, petrochemicals, and mining. However, it's crucial to note that Iran's untapped potential goes beyond traditional industries. As the world moves towards renewable energy and sustainable practices, Iran has the opportunity to harness its natural resources for clean energy production, such as solar and wind power. This shift towards sustainable practices can position Iran as a leader in the global energy transition. Now, let's take a moment to examine Iran's current economic status in terms of GDP and per capita basis. Iran's GDP, as of the latest available data, stands at around $359.7 billion. Although it faced challenges due to international sanctions, the economy has shown resilience and has the potential to rebound strongly. On a per capita basis, Iran's income is approximately 1.454 trillion PPP, which highlights the potential for improving the standard of living for its population. To gain a better perspective, let's compare Iran's economic standing with two other countries, Sri Lanka and Lebanon. When comparing GDP figures, Iran has a significantly larger economy than both Sri Lanka and Lebanon. However, it's important to consider that economic standing goes beyond mere numbers. Factors such as infrastructure, investment climate, and political stability also play critical roles in determining the overall economic health of a nation. While Sri Lanka and Lebanon face their own economic challenges, Iran's potential lies in its ability to leverage its strengths and overcome obstacles to foster sustained economic growth. Now let's dive into the impact of an authoritarian government on Iran's economy. Iran's authoritarian government has had a notable influence on its economy. The concentration of power and limited political freedoms can impede economic reforms, hinder foreign investments, and create an uncertain business environment. Furthermore, international sanctions, which have been imposed on Iran due to various political reasons, have further constrained the country's economic potential. However, it's critical to recognize that economic progress is not solely determined by the type of government in place. Engaging in dialogue, promoting reforms, and fostering an open and transparent business environment can help unlock Iran's untapped potential. Now let's discuss the importance of building wealth for sustainable economic development. Building wealth is a fundamental aspect of economic development. It allows for investments in infrastructure, education, healthcare, and research and development. By focusing on wealth creation, countries can foster innovation, attract foreign investment, and provide opportunities for their citizens. Iran's untapped potential can be fully realized by creating an environment that promotes wealth creation. This includes encouraging entrepreneurship, enhancing access to finance, and investing in human capital. Building wealth will not only drive economic growth, but also enable Iran to meet the needs and aspirations of its population. Now let's examine how Iran's economic potential compares to countries like Germany, Japan, the United States, and China. While Germany, Japan, the United States, and China have established themselves as global economic powerhouses, Iran possesses unique strengths that can contribute to its economic growth. Iran's strategic geographical position, young and educated population, and abundant natural resources provide a solid foundation for economic development. However, it's important to acknowledge that Iran faces various challenges and constraints that must be addressed to fully unlock its potential. Next, let's explore the reasons behind Iran's economic struggles. Iran's economic challenges stem from a combination of internal and external factors. International sanctions, political instability, limited access to global markets, and a lack of economic diversification have all contributed to its economic struggles. Additionally, mismanagement, inefficient bureaucracy, and an inadequate infrastructure have hindered Iran's ability to harness its economic potential effectively. Now let's discuss the role of corruption in Iran's economy. Corruption has been a persistent issue in Iran's economy. It undermines transparency, erodes public trust, and hampers economic growth. Corruption acts as a barrier to investment, distorts market mechanisms, and hinders fair competition. To achieve sustainable economic development, combating corruption and promoting good governance are crucial steps that Iran must take. Iran has a long history of being subject to sanctions imposed by the international community. These sanctions have had severe consequences for Iran's economy. They restrict access to international markets, limit foreign investment, and impede the flow of goods and services. The consequences of sanctions are felt across various sectors, affecting businesses, individuals, and the overall economic stability of the country. In conclusion, Iran's economy possesses immense untapped potential that remains largely unexplored. Its strategic geographical position between Asia and Europe, coupled with a young and educated population, provides a solid foundation for growth. Furthermore, Iran's abundance of natural resources offers a significant advantage for economic development. However, several factors have hindered Iran from fully realizing its economic potential. The impact of an authoritarian government, economic misalignment, and the pervasive issue of corruption have impeded progress. Additionally, Iran's history of sanctions, trade limitations, and international restrictions on investment have further complicated its economic landscape. To overcome these challenges, it is critical for Iran to prioritize building wealth and fostering a favorable business environment. By addressing issues such as corruption, improving governance, and implementing economic reforms, Iran can attract domestic and foreign investments, stimulate entrepreneurship, and foster innovation. Furthermore, Iran must strive to diversify its economy beyond reliance on fossil fuels. Exploring alternative industries such as renewable energy, technology, agriculture, and tourism can create new avenues for growth, job creation, and sustainable development. While Iran faces significant obstacles, it is not without hope. By embracing reforms, attracting investment, and leveraging its strengths, Iran can unlock its untapped potential and pave the way for a more prosperous future. It is our hope that through increased understanding, dialogue, and collaboration, Iran's economy can overcome its challenges and emerge as a vibrant and thriving player in the global economic landscape. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of Iran's economy. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on global economics. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep exploring and embracing the potential of economies worldwide. Goodbye!